So you rightly asked me to record some video of actual lawn mowing. This is my lawn. I just reminded myself that I promised you a short video. So this is what I'm doing. As you can see, the lawn I mown is not too high at the moment. The grass is fairly low. I would say that it's not more than 10 centimeters high, and the settings on my Makita lawnmower is at the moment at 5, so almost the highest. Okay, I installed 2 batteries. They're mixed, one replacement 5 amps and one original Makita 3 amps. They work fine together. I use them for few years now. There is no problem, and I've got a passenger on my back. It's my daughter. We try to spend some quality time together. Okay, so have a look how it works. This part of the lawn, this one here, is much thicker than the rest of it, so you'll see how it behaves. It's not that easy with one hand. Here, I don't know how well you can hear me. Here it's not too bad because the lawn is not too thick. But have a look this direction. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Batteries are almost full at this stage, so it's not because of the batteries. I can empty the container because it's nearly full now. However, it behaves like that all the time, so you'll have to trust me this time. So this is why I'm not extremely happy with this equipment. If you have any questions, please ask.